Hi, I'm Jason from Recordex USA, and I'd like to introduce you to the iMMCam AFL-80 document camera from Recordex. iMMCam stands for Interactive Multimedia Camera, and the AFL-80 is our newest portable gooseneck document camera. It has a 3.2 megapixel CMOS sensor and a really impressive 96x zoom, 12x optical zoom, and 8x digital. The AFL-80 is the perfect classroom companion. I'm going to show you in this tutorial video how simple it is to unpack your AFL-80, hook it up to your projector, and start presenting. Okay, let's get started. We'll begin by taking the camera out of the bag. Every AFL-80 document camera from Recordex comes with one of these great carrying cases. It's perfect for keeping your camera well organized and safe when not in use. Inside, you'll find these large zippered pockets to hold all of your cables and a nice padded carrying case for the camera itself. Let's take out the cables that we're going to need. We're going to want our remote control. You probably want the VGA cable. At some point you're going to want the USB cable. We need a power cable and the AC adapter brick. And of course, the camera itself. Okay, now we're going to connect the camera to the video projector. First, let's move the camera head up by rotating the arm. You're going to want it to be about vertical. Next, we're going to plug in the AC power, and we're going to plug in the VGA cable. The AC power will go here, where the AC power plug is, and the VGA out port is what will connect to the projector. You're going to want to take your power cord, plug one end into the wall, and the other end into your AC adapter. And then you're going to want to plug the AC adapter, the small plug, into the back of the camera. At this point, you can turn the camera on with a little switch. Next, we're going to take the VGA cable. We're going to connect one end to the video projector. I have one here. And the other end of the VGA cable is going to connect to the VGA out port on the camera. Again, that's the VGA out port on the camera to the VGA in port on the video projector. Alright, now that the camera is connected to the video projector, you're ready to use it as a visual presenter. I'm going to zoom my video camera in on the projector screen so you can see the image that I'm seeing. There you go. Okay, let me show you how the zoom works. I'm using the remote control, and I'm just going to point it towards the camera and zoom in. You can see we're at 15, 20, 30, 50, 60. Here we're all the way in at 88 times zoom. I can go a little further, and there's 96x. Again, you'll see that the focus is quite quick. It has autofocus, and it's really a pretty fast autofocus. It keeps up with the image as it's zooming. You won't need to wait for the camera to refocus when you're zooming in and out. The benefit of having a portable gooseneck camera with 12x optical zoom is that the image quality, even when digitally magnified, is really good. So that's why we can go all the way up to 96x and have a really solid image quality. Also, with a 12x optical and 8x digital, there's no need to move the camera head down closer to the object in order to achieve magnification. This is required in other cameras that have only digital zoom or only mechanical zoom. You have to move the camera head down closer to the object in order to get more magnification. We provide you plenty of magnification with our 96x total zoom package. Okay, that completes this video tutorial. I hope you've been pleasantly surprised with just how easy it is to set the camera up and to get started. Please take a look at our other videos. We go into much more detail about the camera and how to use the various features and also the software that's bundled with it. Enjoy!